Jungle Studio.
Yes, guys, yes, guys, yes, guys, yes, guys. Yes, guys, how are you everywhere you are, guys? Welcome back to Django Studio, guys. So, today we are going to make a reggae beat. So, guys, if it's your first time to be here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys. Okay, guys, tokumbira kwa support yenyu. Kana kangorike kutanga mchona video iri, kana kungori kusvikawo kutanga pa channel ino. Gara wabayawo subscribe aka guys kuti zvititiro right guys. Please like my videos, like and comment the video that we are posting here, guys. Okay, thank you. So today we are going to make reggae beat. So first thing that we can do, you can come here and make when you open your Fruit Loop, you just open it. It comes like blank. Then you create new folder. You create new project. Then you can come here, change the tempo. Guys, mochinja tempo yenyu moisa pa 85 kana uchida kuachieve same beat like this, you can change your tempo to 85. Okay, then if you put your tempo on 85, the first thing the first thing I do on this reggae beat, guys, first thing that I do, I just find this thing, this one. You can go and check it. This thing, I find it. This thing is drum loops. Yes, you can come and find it. This one, you can come and find it if you have a drum loops, reggae drum loops, guys. You can find it there. Yes, if you have drum loops. So if you don't have drum loops, yeah, it's going to be a problem to you. But no, don't worry, you can make a reggae beat. So me, I just use this drum loops. Yes, okay. And the second thing that I do, I just go here on what is that? Okay, I go here by pattern on purity. Then I take the codes, you see. Yes, then I just make these nodes. You see these nodes here, these nodes, this one. Yes, these nodes, you see. Yes, I put these nodes. After that, yes. Okay, I have bass. Yes, I have a bass here. Second thing I do, yes, I come here. I have another that thing like these chords also. Yeah, just copy here, but on purity and come and put here by brass piano on purity. Then you just go here by brass. Then you just put high brass, high pass brass. Ne? Then you can copy and paste here those chords. So you see how it sound. This one and this one. Yes, and also grand piano here. Yes, this one. Yes, to make it your chords strong. Guys, don't want to get my chords that way strong, guys. Okay, so then we put what is that? Strings. These strings by Nexus, guys. Just come by Nexus. Then you can choose your strings, what you want. Yes, guys. Okay. Okay, then I put bass. Yes, bass on a sine bass. That sine bass you can get it by DX10. Yes, by DX10. I use this bass a lot of my tutorials, guys. Okay, so how I draw this bass, you see. So if you use a small phone, you can't hear this bass. You can use earphones, something like instrument like big speakers or earphones or headphones. Yes, you can hear this bass, guys. Okay, then we have another bass also on Nexus. Yes, this one. Yes, so nice, guys, and sweet. I don't know how you feel it. Yes, okay. Then you play it, all of them. That is my first pattern. Pattern 1, it's like that. Then pattern 2, I just take those things and come and copy and paste here. Only I change here by the bass. I just cut that the first bass. You see this one, the snare bass. I cut it, guys. Then I cut on pattern 2 here. You see, I have only this one. So it's another paragraph like this, guys. So it's another verse. Then here is our intro. First intro, guys. When you get in on intro, here's it on Nexus, guys. You can come here by Nexus. You can see that one. You can go by plugged. Then you can LP and up there one, guys. Yes, it's a nice melody. Let me play alone that melody, only that melody. You hear it. First intro. Yes, sounding good, guys. I don't know how you feel, guys. Okay, let me go. Then and number 4, we don't have anything. So now our beat is complete. Only three pattern, guys. So it's 1, 2, and 3. That is our reggae beat complete, guys. Plus that drum loops. Okay. So can I show you how I lay it and how it sounds? Okay. So let me play our beat, guys. Let me play it, then I will introduce one by one those things to you, guys. Okay, so this one is the pattern number 3 that I show you, but here is the first intro. This one is a tag that you can put your studio tag or your name tag or something. Okay, you see, that is first one. Okay, this one is drum changer that you can find it on drum loops. This one. Then don't okay, these ones it's a crunch tool. You can find there by the it's okay. Yes. Okay. That is first chorus. Our beat now it's complete, guys. So easy. So easy. That is second verse, guys. Yes. Second verse, guys. Yes. That chorus again. Okay. That's the second verse, guys. That I just cut a bass only, but the same beat, guys. Okay. Chorus again. First verse, guys. Then you can put some drops to make your beat sound nice. Okay. Chorus again, guys. Yes. Sounding so good, so good, guys, and pretty. Yes, and this beat I make this beat on top of the sound, on top of the voice, guys. So this is the last out intro, guys. See? Yes. 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 Our beat is complete now, guys. Our beat is near complete, guys. Yes. Yes. That's sounding so good, so good, so good, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if it's your first time to be here, please do subscribe and turn on notification bells so you don't miss any my upload video. Okay, guys. On this beat, I made it on top of vocals, guys. So let me play a little bit with a vocal that I make it, guys. You see, let me play it. Yes, it's the vocal, so you can feel it, all of the vocal with the beat. I made it on top of the vocal. Here's the vocal that I used to make this beat. So you can feel it, all of the vocal and the beat, and you can tell me on my comment section how you feel it. Is it nice to you or no? But me, I feel it nice, guys. So you can feel it all of the things, guys. Okay. Here's the voice I used to use this beat.
Chitsinga murodi ondikandira ndakakura kani ndiri nherera ndisina kana wekuchemera chona kani nhazi ndozvishandira chitsinga murodi ondikandira samatsinga
Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment. This is the vocal that I used to make this beat, guys. Okay, if you have anything you want from me, you just comment on comment section, then I'll do for you. If you want me to teach you how to make any sound of beat like reggae, sim dance, or and there's some other beat, gospel, and many more, you can just comment on my comment section. Then I'll give you my WhatsApp number, and you can do what you want. Yes, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. I love you. Be safe, guys. Thank you very much.